Hello everyone, this tutorial will show you how to import subscription fees. I know that you probably have your accounting system, but importing by the CRM database will activate the subscription fee for better monitoring of your members. As a matter of fact, when the subscription fee has been paid, the membership status icon of the relative member will adjust accordingly. So for this purpose, just click on billing and then on subscription fees. In order to import a subscription fee, you need to click here on import. The first thing to do is to select a file, and the type of file that you can import on the CRM database is a CSV one. So you can create a CSV file with all this mandatory information. Subscription period refers to the name of the fee the member has to pay. They have the member name, the amount of the fee, the expiry date of subscription, the payment status, sales stage, and expected close date. These two information are not shown on a singular subscription fee panel. When you click on a subscription fee, you won't find this information, but of course, by changing the layout and the fields, you can use Studio on admin to change that and show these two information on the subscription fee panel. So just remember, after having created a file, to save it as a CSV comma delimited file, because this is the only type of file that can be imported. So you just click on choose file. Before that, we can check on members. AB, AK, African Agra Inditret. These members have different membership status icons. In the case of ABB and AK, it has expired, and or even African Agra Inditret is red, so the member is elapsed. So now we'll see how these status icons will change accordingly to the information that will be imported with the CSV file on the subscription fee module. So let's go to subscription fees. Click on import, choose the file. In this case, it's subscription fees test. And in this case, we are not creating only new records. As I remember it right, I created one new record, but the other ones already existed, so they need to be updated. So in this case, we will select this option, create new records and update the existing ones. Then click on next, and then on OK. You can view the import file properties if you want, and here you have to confirm the import file properties, and this is fine. So click on next. Here you need to confirm the field mappings. Subscription period is subscription period, of course. Member name. The asterisk means that these fields are mandatory. In this case, amount. The information you want to add is this one, amount with the asterisk. This is mandatory. Then the expiry date of subscription, the payment status, sales stage, and expected close date. You can also add other fields if you want, but in this case, this is fine by me. So just click next again. You can check for possible duplicates to avoid creating duplicate records. In this case, I don't want to perform any check while the data is being imported. So if you don't want to do that, just click on import now. And the records will start to be imported. In this case, it's just 7 of them, so it will be very fast. And the summary tells me that 7 records were created and all information were added right. You can undo the import if there were some errors during the import procedure. You can import again, or just exit and confirm that the import results are fine. So you click exit, and as you can see, we have 2014 annual subscription with ABB and ACCA, African Agra Industries, and the other members are included in the CSV file. So now let's check on members if the membership status icon has changed. And as you can see, ABB, ACCA, African Agra Industries, but also the other members in the file now have a green light that has changed accordingly to the information imported on the system with the CSV file of the subscription fees. So the procedure is not so complicated. You just need to remember how to locate the information on the CSV file and which one are mandatory. Remember to, of course, save the Excel file as a comma delimited CSV1, and then do what I've shown you today. So, thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you in the next tutorials.